Hey, little baby. How you doing? You like that? Oh, Yogi's got the strap. Hey, Yogi Bear. How cute are you? I don't know. We might have to take this big fuzzy boy out to a show and get his championship. Hey, I think you're adorable. I think you're beautiful, mister. Okay, he's very handsome. He's a lovely boy. Whoops! And there's a lovely baby. Hi, honey. How cute are you? And here's Miss Doritos. Dory Joe. Hey, Dory, I can't see you up there, baby. Yeah, you're not quite in the right light there, Miss Kitty. Hi. You are. You're kind of cute. You're a saucy little baby. Oh! She is a feisty baby. Could I have my wand toy back, please? Hey! Hey! I'd like my wand toy. Don't take it. We gotta share. Oh, you're tearing it apart. Silly baby. Boy, you really hang on when you get something. Sorry, Yogi. Silly baby cat. He ate half of it.